Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make money online in 2022 as a beginner, and the program we're going to be using is called Nexus Rewards. Nexus Rewards is I just call it pretty much a rewards platform because you're going to be able to earn cashback rewards, discounts on shopping, groceries, gas, entertainment, the things that everyone are doing on a daily basis. Can't live without. No matter if you join Nexus Rewards or not, you're going to still do these things. So the power in these apps are: one, cash back on everyday purchases that you would have made no money back on, or discounts. You can double dip with some of the apps, for example, so you can get cash back on one app and then you can use, that same receipt on another app to earn cash back on the other app. So it's just a way to get money back in your pockets, and to earn the actual income is just pretty much sharing this with other people, and you're going to get compensated for doing that. It's an inexpensive company, and that's why I brought it to you. It's a way to get in business and be at home without spending a lot of money. So we're going to scroll over here. Here's one of the free apps. NXRX is a prescription discount app. So if you know anybody, or you are someone who goes off and gets prescriptions, you can get up to 80% of prescriptions. There's even talk that it's, cheaper than your copay, for those who have, insurance. Here are the premium apps, the paid apps. And this first one, Nexus Rewards Benefits, is what most of the Fortune 500 companies use for their members. And it's a way to go in there and, you see all these different services and instances, and you get those discounts, cash backs, average savings and cash back per member, $400 per month. And here's another one, the shopping bosses. And this is one that's very, very good. You can double dip with this one, because with this one, say you go out to, Home Depot. Say you're going to purchase $500 in, products. You're going to be able to go in here, instead of using your card directly, you can buy a gift card on this app. And this is what you're going to use to purchase for the things. And you're going to get cash back instantly within that purchase. And then you can take that gift card and shop online in that store on another app and double dip and get cash back. So, and then you can take that receipt from that, and there's another app where you can scan your receipt and get cash back from that. So it's pretty much just getting money back on things you're going to already do. And they also have this benefit down here, the Nexus Zoom Rewards, which you can get Zoom 500 people for only $12.99, save 35%, which Zoom is very expensive. So that's pretty much breaking down the benefits on what Nexus Rewards has to offer. Now I want to dive in and show you, real quick, and show you the actual money. And I usually go through a flipbook type presentation, but I thought this one was very powerful. We're not going to go through every single thing unless I have enough time, so I don't waste too much of your time. But this compensation plan is very simple, and realize this membership is very inexpensive. So as we get started, there's a one-time admin setup fee and a $21.95 monthly subscription. So there you go. $21.95 a month. Planet Fitness membership costs pretty much, and there's only a $10 admin fee to get started. So when you get started, it's gonna be $31, but $21.95 a month to have this membership and all access to these premium apps and these free apps as well. So very inexpensive. I know a lot of times you see a program, you're like, oh, I like this, but it costs too much. And then when you want to try to make residual income, the auto ships are too much, and that's why Nexus Rewards is changing the game. The program offers premium members a 7-day unconditional 100% money back guarantee if you don't find these products and services useful. So that's a good thing. But like I said, they do what they do. But it's good that this is here. If we scroll down, here's just some disclaimers. Each of our savings and cashback apps vary their promotions from time to time. There's no guarantee. The savings and cashback results that you experience will depend on your personal uses. It's just pretty much the common sense things. Everything's not guaranteed. Like, you're not guaranteed that you're going to get a whole bunch of money saved and a whole bunch of cash back, because it depends, what states and countries you're in, your locations, etc. Save and earn cash back just about everywhere, both online and offline using the apps. Your cashback rewards can be upwards of 40% on things you purchase. Pretty much what we're talking about. Here's some history. Nexus Rewards has partnered with the Benefits Hub to offer Nexus Premium members additional discount savings and cash back. Benefits Hub launched in 1999. 5 of the top 10 U.S. employers and 23% of Fortune 500 companies use Benefits Hub as the largest employee discount program in the world. So you see, these things have a track record. Nexus Rewards also has an agreement with the Shopping Boss, launched in 2014, offers an average of 6% cash back to its members, available in the U.S. only. And then, the last one. And here's just an earning disclaimer, meaning no income is guaranteed. We all know you got to work. You got to, refer, learn how to be an online entrepreneur, etc. So now that we're getting to the compensation plan, earn commissions referring others to Nexus Rewards. I'm going to just stop clicking this. It's going to keep popping up. Initially, you will earn $5 a month on all premium members that you personally refer, but they added a coded bonus, so you pretty much are going to be making $10 a month per referral. After 3 referrals, you're going to be in profit. Membership's pretty much going to be paid for because it's a residual program. And they pay out every Friday. And then obviously, when your residuals roll around the next month, if your premium members stay active, you're going to get that money again. So getting into the compensation plan, everyone you enroll is your first level. As your referrals enroll others, that's your second level. It's just common sense, As the people on your second level refer others, then that's your third level. This continues through 10 levels. So here's how they're paying out on the different levels. $5, plus the coded 10. So 10 is pretty much, you're going to be getting $10 for personal referrals. On the second level, $1, a little bit. And the reason why these commissions are kind of lower is because the program is only $21 a month. So you see what I'm saying? So if you got into a bigger program, then these things are bigger. But we're in here for affordability. So yes, when you refer 5 premium members, you become a pro and are eligible to earn in, deeper down your organization. As your team grows, you'll be able to earn on more things going on in your team. As your team, and it's pretty much what I said, they start paying you on one level and continue to pay you infinite levels unless someone in your network is at the same level or higher than you have been reached. So for example, if you bring in 25 people, you're going to get paid. Say you have different, it depends on, you can build Y. So every personal referral goes Y. So say you bring in someone and they start bringing in someone, you're going to earn all the way, and say you're a Pro 25, you're going to earn all the way down until there's a person somewhere that reaches Pro 25 as well. So that's cool. And that's a little bit more deeper in compensation plan. You didn't really need to know that, but for those who do want to know, about the longevity of the program and your money. Yeah, and Pro 25 only means you sponsor 25 people. A Pro 25 earns an additional 25 cents on their third level. They could also earn an additional 25 cents on levels 4, 5, 6, and 7, and so on to infinity. If someone under a Pro 25 is also at the rank of Pro 25 or higher, the infinity pay would stop in that leg when it reached the person at equal or higher rank. So you might think stopped, but realize every referral that you personally get, it opens up a new leg. So if you have 200 people you refer, that's 200 individual legs. So, you know what I mean? So the odds of the money is never going to stop, pretty much is what I'm saying. But once you hit that 25, you start opening up, legs deeper down. So then those 50 cents and 25 cents start adding up. And dynamic compression, this is one that I want to read just because it's a little more complex. Once you reach the 1-star level, meaning you can't even take advantage of this until you have 100 members, but it's good to know what it's about. Once you reach that level, you become eligible to receive dynamic compression rewards if you have people in your network who are not qualified to receive. So if you have someone who doesn't pay their membership, the commissions will roll up to you. So say you have someone active, they start building, they bring someone in, and then they bring someone in, and then their team takes off pretty much. Say 70 people end up in their organization, and they just decide to not pay pay their monthly, you know, usually it'll mess up and it'll break off, meaning everyone they brought in, you get nothing from that. In this case, with this dynamic compression, if they stop paying their membership, all their members go to you. So that's a good thing to, even if someone quits, things still going, they still go. So let's see if their example is a little more simple than I explained it. One of your referrals has only 2 sponsored premium members. They are qualified to receive 2 levels of commission only, and they are not qualified to receive commissions on levels 3, 4, 5, and 6 because how the compensation plan goes, and they have premium members on those levels. The commissions associated with those levels will roll up to you. So that's another case. So say they, you know, they only bring in 2 people, but things start, you know, moving within those 2 people. They can't earn on those legs until they, you know, reach, you know, a pro, which is 25 members. Then it's going to go to you. And this coded bonus is how you're going to get that other $5 to earn $10 per referral. Initially, every member you refer is coded to you, and you make an additional $5 a month per their, you know, on their monthly subscription. Once a member enrolls at least 1 person, their rank changes from member to brand partner. So here's the other part of the compensation plan. Your 2nd and 4th brand partners. So when you bring in 2 people, when you bring in some 4 people that get at least 1 member, your 2nd and 4th passes up to your sponsor. This qualifies you to receive 2 coded brand partners from everyone else that is coded to you. So your 2nd and 4th sale passes up pretty much to make a long thing small. And you're like, why does this happen? It's just a form of leverage. So when you start bringing in people, their 2nd and 4th passes up to you. So it's another way to make commissions without having to go out and recruit so many people. And then this is something after another part of the compensation plan. After 6 months, they're going to put you in a matrix, put everyone in a matrix, and then you can start earning 10 cents off of everyone. It's a 3x10 matrix. So I'm not sure how it's going to flow until we're 6 months in. But this is just another part of the compensation plan. Then they have a 3x10 check match. You can receive a check match on the matrix earnings of your personal referrals. 25% check match if you have 5 personally preferred members. 50% check match if you have 10. 100% check matches if you have 20. So pretty much you're going to be earning this percentage of your members' income. So if someone makes $500, you're going to earn 25% at this point. 50%, 100%, just another part of the compensation plan you don't really have to worry about. And here are the ranks. So 25, they're pretty self-explanatory. 25, Pro 25 is 25 members you sponsored. Pro 50 is 50 members you sponsored. And the list goes on. So that is how we're going to be doing it. We're going to start off with the, you know, we want everyone to get their first 5 in at least a week. But you know, it all works in different ways, but it's such an inexpensive program that's going to help you, you know, build this thing faster. And with the apps, which are so, you know, common, you're going to be able to talk about this to anybody. It's not like a credit repair or some type of products with marketing or things like that, you know, you kind of don't know how to talk about. This is easy stuff. Who wants to save money on their groceries, gas, and food? Who wants to earn extra income? So we are going to finish this video. It's a little longer than I want it to be, but you know, I always want to touch on a little bit of details. So if you want more information on Nexus Rewards, go to my description. Links will be in there. My contact information will be in there if you need to contact me with any questions. And let's not overthink this thing. It's only $21.95 every month. Your first month is going to be $31.95 because of that $10 admin fee. And that's just really hit the ground running with this thing and help a lot of people, you know, in this rough day and age. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.